My name is Alex Pallares. I'm a project design specialist with an emphasis on real estate inspections. My day-to-day is usually just me touring Southern California in my little camo Chevy Spark. It's a really cool job, and just meeting new people and performing inspections all day. I like to help customers in both ways. I like to let them know that if there is no issue, at the very least I can just give them peace of mind that their house is in good shape. Or in the instances where it is a little scary and there's work that needs to be done, I can reassure them and let them know that we can actually take care of it, so it's pretty rewarding. I'm a former EMT, so I think the most important thing that my customers will experience with me is that I treat everyone like family. You're gonna meet someone who's down to earth and who's ready to, at the very least, just sit down and talk with you and see how your day's going. My wife and I both come from a very large family on both sides of our family. So right now my wife and I, we're talking about creating a large family of our own. So in the early stages of that, but definitely looking forward to this new chapter in our life. I'm an outdoorsman. I love camping, shooting, fishing, jeeping, anything outside, I'm all about it. So a couple fun facts about me, kind of touched on it already. I'm a former EMT. I'm actually a music major. It's a little different from construction and foundation repair. But I also play guitar and I sing, and I still write songs pretty frequently. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Again, my name is Alex Pallares. And if you guys have any concerns with your foundation or anything that you guys think is of worry, feel free to call us and I'll be happy to come out and check out your foundation for you.